y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a Wantable unboxing and try on, but it's activewear versus the traditional clothes that I typically do with these types of unboxing videos. So I opted for the activewear box this go round. Number one, to get some variety for me and for y'all. But number two, I've really been missing hot yoga lately. I used to do hot yoga probably 3 or 4 days a week. Minimum 3, and I absolutely love it. Hot yoga, if you have never tried it, transformed my body in ways that nothing else I have ever done in my life did for me. Unfortunately though, with my work schedule and like YouTube filming schedule and stuff, I haven't been able to go. I want to get back at it though. I've told myself my goal for the new year is to go at least 3 times a week again. I don't know how that's gonna happen. I don't know how I'm gonna fit it in, but we're gonna make it happen. So I thought we'll start these activewear boxes and maybe I can find some really great pieces or things that are really cute and work really well for me for hot yoga, because if I do end up going those 3 or so days a week, I'm gonna need a different outfit for every single day. Get where I'm going with this? Before we get started, I will say the activewear box is pretty expensive. So just be aware that these items are very expensive. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items in this box. There is a $20 styling fee. You get that credited toward whatever you choose to keep. Plus, you get 20% off, I'm pretty sure, if you keep 5 or more of your items. So let's get into it. The first thing is a sports bra. I am wearing this throughout the entire video, so I figured this will be the first thing that I show you. So this is from a brand called Beyond Yoga, first time I've heard of it. It is a pretty pricey brand, but I do really like the color of this. I like is flexibility the word? Maybe the stretch in it. It's probably like a medium to strong support. Is that the word? Medium to high, I guess. This one I grabbed in a size 2X. It also has this little bit of back cutout. So this is the bra that I'm wearing with all of these clothes. So I figured I'd just go ahead and show it to you. I like it. It fits well. It's a good size. However, there is no padding, no nothing that's going to keep anybody from seeing if you're cold or not, you know what I'm saying? But I do think this is a nice fit. I'm a double D and this feels really nice. I really do love the color. I love that this band comes down a little bit more than kind of just sitting high up like that. So let's pair this as outfits. I think that's probably the most fun and easiest way to show you. So the first thing I have are these really cute camo, like 3/4 length leggings. So these are from the brand Strut This. I guess they're in a size 3X. I will go ahead and tell you that I probably need the 2X. I wasn't sure when I did the style profile, so I selected 3X for bottoms. These I would need in a 2X. But I absolutely love the pattern on them. I think they're a really good length. I think the feel of them is really, really nice. Let's see if I can find for you what they're made of. So they are 87% polyester and 13% spandex. And I'm going to pair those with this really cute, if I can figure out how to straighten it. Here we go. Okay, this really cute like green color workout top. It is long sleeves, but the back has this like little bit of a cutout with a longer piece. I love this. I think this is really fun when it's cool outside. So you wear this over your sports bra, your workout clothes, and you get somewhere and you can take it off if you want to like just work out in your sports bra. Or it's that really nice material where it feels like you could probably breathe despite being sweaty. This is from the brand Marika in a size 2X. This is it's like see-through. It's hard for me to see it. Okay, it's 93% polyester, 7% spandex in the body. The contrast, which I'm assuming is this black part, is 84% nylon, 9% polyester, 7% spandex. So I don't mind this outfit so much. I love these leggings. However, I think that a size smaller would have probably been better. I've just got, I don't know if you can tell, just like a little bit of extra fabric right there. So I would have liked them probably size smaller. I just like them more snug, especially if I'm wearing them to work out. I love this like thick waistband here. So I love the color, the feel and everything. Just a size smaller, yeah, would probably be better. Now let's talk about the top. So I absolutely love the color. I love the idea of it. However, it's a little bit big in a weird way feeling right here, and I think that's because of the way that the back is. The arms fit great. Down here is a little bit snug, and then here's a look at the back. I think this is so cute. The way that it's got this black piece here, I think it shows like a cute amount, but not too much. So I think that this could be really cute when it's a little bit cooler outside. Throw this over your sports bra, and then if you want to take it off while you work out, or I guess you could work out in it. So this outfit overall is pretty cute. The fit is just a little bit off for me. Next outfit we have is this really cute gray hoodie. We'll start with this. This is like a very thin but nice material. So it kind of reminds me, like I said, with the green top. You could wear this over your workout clothes. If it's cool outside, when you get to your workout location, you take it off. And I like it. So when you're like sweaty afterwards, you're not putting this like really heavy sweatshirt back on. So this brand is MTL 1980. It's got an A. This is in a size 3X. This is a really good size for me. Let's see if we can find the fabric. This is 56% viscose, 41% polyester, and 3% elastane. And for the purposes of another outfit, I'm going to pair it with these black joggers. These are nice. I can tell you that. It's got this like little bit of band, like different fabric around the top. It does tie up. This brand is Shape, I assume is the brand. Yes, Shape in a size 3X. It says shell, 72% polyester, 23% rayon, 5% spandex. Insert is 59% polyester, 32% rayon, 9% spandex. So while these, I love them, I think they're a size too big, and you'll see that too in the try on. We'll talk about the sweatshirt first, since that's what you can see. This is very thin, but in a nice way. Like the material, it just feels so nice. It feels like it would be great after you've worked out and you're a little bit sweaty and you don't want anything too hot, but it's cold outside, so you need to wear something out. I just realized it has these thumb holes. I have one other shirt that has thumb holes, and I thought that I would like it, and honestly, I don't really care for it. So the thumb holes are a nice addition, but obviously you don't have to use them, and you can't really tell that there's slices there. I mean, if you're looking, you can, but okay. So I like this. I like the hoodie part. I like the feel of it. The size and everything is perfect. However, I own one, maybe more than one, almost identical to this. So it's really nothing special, except for this one is a little bit more thin than the traditional hoodies, like sweatshirt material that I already own. So I don't see a need for it, but I can appreciate that my stylist would send me this. Okay, now let's talk about the joggers. These, in my opinion, are like fancy joggers. So they, I think, are a size too big. They just feel loose everywhere. But they've got this like band around them that makes them feel like fancy. I don't know. Hopefully you can see them. And they zip pocket on the side. So they're this like windbreaker material on the inside and this like band around here. I'm assuming that's to help with your sweat and stuff. So I like them. I just think they're a size too big. And y'all know I just kept a pair of joggers from Amazon that were like an amazing material, and I'm pretty sure those were like $19.99. So I kind of feel like I kind of own something similar to this. I have a pair of joggers that are almost identical to these in fit, like the look of them. They may not be the same material, so I don't necessarily need this outfit, but it feels nice. Like, it's just a good like casual winter outfit. I was going to say summer, but it's definitely not summer. It also gives me an idea, because I do own something so similar, joggers and a sweatshirt, that I could wear that as an outfit somewhere with maybe some white Converse or something, you know what? I'm gonna go put that outfit on and tell me if you can tell the difference. Hang on. Okay, so this is the outfit that I already own. It kind of looks similar. Granted, this is an oversized gray hoodie from Target. These are the Amazon joggers. I'll try to find these pieces, link them down below. This sweatshirt came with matching sweatshirt joggers, and I wear it all the time. Side note. But this is actually really comfortable. I did also bring these Converse in here. I'll slide them on, and y'all tell me if it's an actual outfit or am I just crazy. So could this be like a cute winter outfit? Like casual, it's like 40, 50 degrees outside, so I don't want to wear leggings. Does this work? I'm feeling it. I feel good. Does this actually work? Because I don't know. I think the sweatshirt might be just a little bit too oversized. Like maybe it needs to be proper sweatshirt where it's got the band around the bottom where it's a little bit tight. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Last clothing item we have is a jacket. First off, this color, this like berry, is gorgeous. I love that the inside is like a lighter version of the color. Has a hood, zips up all the way, has pockets. It's also a little bit longer, which I like. Like it doesn't sit at the waist. It doesn't sit at a weird spot on the hips. It kind of almost covers the backside all the way. I don't have a jacket like that, so I think that's really cute. This is from the brand Active Zone, and it is in a size 3X. That's a good size for me. Let's see, fabric content, we have 100% polyester. Okay, we are back in the original. This is the Wantable sweatshirt and joggers, just so there's no confusion. Last thing that I want to try on is this like beautiful like burgundy wine color jacket. I sort of cheated when this came, when the box came in the mail. This I had already tried on because it was such a pretty color. So this fits pretty well. I didn't try it on with a sweatshirt underneath it before this. Like this is the first time that I've tried it on with something thick underneath it. So I want to see if it actually will fit, and it does. We're trying this, like all this stuff for the first time together. Okay, this is a beautiful color. It feels nice, it fits really well, even though you've got a sweatshirt underneath it. It is a different kind of material. It kind of reminds me more of like a workout type jacket, if that makes sense. So here's my dilemma. I like it, but y'all help me out because a lot of times it's hard for me to find outerwear that fits me how I want it to fit. Like a lot of times it'll fit in the arms and the chest and the like upper stomach, but then it's too snug around the hips. Or if I get it to where it's baggy enough around the hips, then everywhere else is kind of big and the arms are long. So I don't know if I like it because I actually genuinely like it or if because it fits. Does that make sense? Like I don't want to keep something, it's expensive, so we're not keeping it. But you know what I'm saying. Like I like the color. I don't need it. I've got jackets. But it's nice to get something in my box that actually fits my body properly and it fits well with something thick underneath it. And the very last thing in my box is this cute little like thing of socks. How fun, right? These are called Stick to Being You socks. So I have white, gray, and black, and they have the footy things on the bottom. So these feel like great socks. They're $42. So I don't know, it's funny. Honestly, it's funny to me because $42 for 3 pair of socks is kind of overpriced in my opinion. Like I said, they do feel like great socks, but I can't spend 42 bucks on socks. So these say machine wash light colors, 80% cotton, 20% spandex. If you need expensive socks, Wantable's gotcha. So let's talk prices now. The total for everything in my box comes out to $439. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning, you get a discount if you keep at least 5 items, minus my styling fee. I do have a little bit of money in credits. So if I kept everything, it's $305.86. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm not going to keep anything this go round. I think it was a great first box to get an idea of the brands that they have, the quality of clothing, the sizing. I like all of that. I just think that the brands and the pieces that I got were a little bit pricey. So I did last night go on to Wantable's website. They have a section called The Stream, which is a collection of items based on your style profile. So I went through and selected a bunch of activewear from other brands that were a lot more affordable. So I'm hoping in the next couple of boxes I get some of those things. I really like the leggings. I don't have enough credits to get them for free, but I did debate spending a little bit extra to keep them. But at the end of the day, almost $90 for a pair of leggings, I can't do it. When I know that they are just going to be workout leggings for me, I don't tend to wear workout leggings like out shopping or running errands for the day. I mean, I'll just throw on a pair of jeans. So I'm not going to wear them other than to work out, and they're going to get washed pretty often. So that's why I'm opting to not keep anything. Like I said, I'm hoping that the next couple of boxes I get quite a few things that I requested from the activewear section that aren't as expensive. As always, a link to try Wantable is in the description box down below. I'll also leave the playlist if you want to watch some of my other Wantable videos that I've done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. That's a wrap. I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.